Alright guys, got another video for you guys. I was trying to put this roll cage in like you saw in the last video, but I started going through the seam sealer. There was little holes in the corners. I feel like every Honda has this problem here in Illinois or anywhere with a lot of salt. This corner's a little hoarser, but not too bad. You know, a lot of people get scared when they see that in the floorboards, but it won't be too bad. Just a little bit of sheet metal and it would be repaired again. You can see from underneath, it's just right here. I mean, I'm just gonna clean this up a little more and weld some metal on there. Try to clean this up a little bit, but I'm gonna wait till I take it outside so that way I don't get my car all full of rust dust everywhere. Got a 1/4 inch plate steel right here that I cut up. I'm gonna weld this to the floorboard and bolt down to the cage for this so it can be a little more sturdier than this thin piece of metal from the body, so that it won't be strong enough. But yeah, I'm gonna start cutting some metal up, which I got some over here. Let's see. See, I mean, this should be plenty thick enough. 16 gauge, or I think I got a little thicker here. Yeah, this is a little thicker. I could weld on there too. I mean, I got a lot of metal here and aluminum. But yeah, I'll show you a little more once I cut it up and start welding. Alright, I went a little bit ahead as I welded the plates. A little different than usual, but I welded a big plate on the bottom, then a couple small ones on the sides. I did it the same thing with the other side. And then I'm gonna but I'm gonna cut up another big piece of plate and put it underneath it when I bolt it down, just to get a little more sturdier. I got the other one part still installed. I took it out and repainted it because the paint looked pretty bad. And I'm gonna paint this one a little more. And I gotta put the other plates here. That was the original art, I guess, to reinforce the structure there. I think that's what it is for. I'm not sure. Other than that, I mean, I think should be ready for the track again.